Guys, have you ever wondered how to make your own pretzels? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how. Let's go!
This is the JDC Show.
What's up, guys? This is our first time meeting. This is Giant Pichu, and I am Joseph. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Auntie Ant's DIY pretzels. Let's go! Dissolve the dry yeast in 1 1/4 cup of lukewarm water. Let it sit for 2 minutes. Add the dissolved yeast into the dough mixture and mix until ball forms. Knead the dough ball on a lightly floured surface. Place dough ball in a large greased bowl. Cover dough ball with plastic that has been sprayed with nonstick spray. Let the dough rise for 30 minutes in a warm spot. After letting the dough rise, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray out a small area on your counter with nonstick spray and turn out the risen dough. Cut even strips of dough. Then roll, stretch, and pull the dough to your desired length. Shape the dough into your desired shape. Now to bake. First, dissolve and stir the baking soda in 4 cups of very hot tap water. Then coat the baking tray with nonstick spray. Dunk each pretzel briefly in the baking soda solution. Then place pretzel on the greased baking tray. Bake 1 tray at a time for 5 minutes. Then rotate 180 degrees and bake for an additional 2 to 5 minutes until golden brown. Now you are ready to enjoy your delicious pretzel. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment for what recipe I should try next. As always, leave a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! If you'd like to see more recipes like this one, check these videos. If you haven't yet, check out my latest video. Bye!